In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on SLP future while talking about the Smooth Love Potion cost estimate for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Smooth Love Potion. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Smooth Love Potion value expectation and answer questions in the event that SLP is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will SLP succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Smooth Love Potion value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what SLP is and its to-date history. SLP price prediction for the next 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. Smooth Love Potion price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 26.33%, $0.0029. 2022 November minus 42.40%, $0.0023. 2022 December minus 23.51%, $0.0030. 2023 Jan minus 19.72%, $0.0031. 2023 February minus 3.07%, $0.0038. 2023 Mar plus 5.89%, $0.0042. 2023 April plus 3.74%, $0.0041. 2023 May plus 20.14%, $0.0047. 2023 June plus 21.98%, $0.0048. 2023 July plus 36.76%, $0.0054. 2023 August plus 42.08%, $0.0056. 2023 September plus 51.50%, $0.0059. SLP price prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees SLP coming to $0.0095 in 2025. What will SLP be worth in 5 years? The cost of SLP in 5 years could lie around $0.0091. Smooth Love Potion price prediction 2030 to 2040. What Smooth Love Potion will be worth in 2030? Our Gwaging model sees Smooth Love Potion coming to $0.0238 in 2030. What Smooth Love Potion will be worth in 2040. Our estimating Model C Smooth Love Potion coming to $0.0475 in 2040. Will Smooth Love Potion supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Smooth Love Potion won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could Smooth Love Potion reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Smooth Love Potion can reach 10 cents yet just in the removed future, after 2030. Could Smooth Love Potion reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Potion to reach $1 in the short or midterm period. Could Smooth Love Potion reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Potion to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Could Smooth Love Potion reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Potion to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Is Smooth Love Potion worth purchasing? We are supporters of decently dangerous money management. Put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique circumstance, Smooth Love Potion merits purchasing. Is Smooth Love Potion a wise speculation? Smooth Love Potion is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, an unsafe venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Smooth Love Potion be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.0023. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $0.0238 or considerably higher. For what reason will Smooth Love Potion succeed and become more expensive? Smooth Love Potion has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Smooth Love Potion ascending to $0.0238 in 2030. For what reason will Smooth Love Potion fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are, group denounces any and all authority and leaves the task, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of all-around planned advertising procedure, losing local area support, expected weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation.